My name's Edward Keil. I'm an Executive Director at Platinum Pacific Partners with a focus on real assets, infrastructure, natural resources and metals and mining. And my role there is search across all levels from analyst through to MD and connect people and great talent into these funds. Unlisted infrastructure funds are privately held funds that invest in infrastructure assets as well as companies that have underlying infrastructure assets. They're called unlisted because they're not listed on the stock exchange and they're seen as a more of an illiquid asset class and more stable for investors. These funds traditionally began investing in core assets such as roads or rail or ports and have shifted towards core plus assets which are renewables, waste to energy and data centres, etc. Infrastructure as an asset class is very unique and very different to other sectors. It is at the intersection and really shapes the society that we live in. It powers our homes, the water we drink, roads we use every day, our hospitals we're born in. Infrastructure as an asset class will be core to decarbonisation and shaping our planet for the future. And anyone that gets involved in this asset class at a fund level will be a key player and a key instrument to doing that. There's many key players in this space. There are global Canadian pension funds like Brookfield or OMERS. There are global funds like Global Infrastructure Partners, GIP and KKR, and super funds like Aware Super or IFM. And then there's domestic players or domestic funds as well like Palisade and ICG. Financial modelling, it is a very big key skill that they look for. I think a numeric degree in engineering or commerce or com law, they all look for good academics around a distinction average. But I think the biggest one is a passion for the space and a genuine interest in the assets that they look at or invest in day to day. I think modelling is a key aspect to it and they really need to build their modelling skills. I think there are courses out there that you can adopt. Relevant internships as well. The big four accounting firms have infrastructure teams that specialise within this space, as well as project finance within the big four banks. And then obviously skills that you develop at investment banking, modelling teams or project finance teams. They're the key ones. There's a huge opportunity for women in infrastructure investment and the feeder groups actually for these funds. I think what they're looking for is anyone with a genuine passion and an interest in this space and has done the numeric degree and the work to get into this space, but without a doubt they're crying out for more that want to be involved.